Let's talk about 5S and how it affects our center store. 5S, or backroom organization, is a process that we are adopting to help us work safer, eliminate waste, become more efficient, and improve our cost savings. This process will help us work smarter and streamline our practices to provide the best experience to our customers and fellow associates. The 5S process is made up of 5 steps: sort, set, shine, standardize, and sustain. The first S is sort. That includes removing unnecessary clutter and excess materials from the work environment. Always clean, sanitize, and disinfect all high-touch surfaces, and only have the things you need in the work environment that are needed to do the job. Next is set in order. This means every item in the department should have a home location. This will make it easier to find and easy to put away after using, and always make sure to return each item after each use. Shine. Work to restore all equipment in your area to be like new. This will help identify which equipment needs to be fixed or replaced, and this establishes the standard of clean that needs to be maintained. Next is standardize. You must put a system in place to ensure the first 3 S's are maintained and continued. Without this step, conditions will deteriorate and the workspace will return to its original disordered state. Sustaining the first 3 S's will help the team work more safely, effectively, and efficiently. The last S is sustain. This is making 5S a part of your daily culture of your team. 5S walks should be conducted and the status of each work area should be reported on a weekly basis. The aim of 5S is to increase efficiency while improving the customer experience and overall quality within the center store. Employing the best practices of ERO will provide a safer working environment while enhancing our presentation. So what's the benefit of a sort process? A sorting process sets up the overnight replenishment team for successes and utilizes our service priorities. The sorting process leads to a safer work environment. That means cleaner floors, less clutter, improved store conditions, organized overhead stock, and decreased spread of germs and disease. It also impacts associate engagement by improving productivity, less frustration, and overall better teamwork. The sort process will always lead to a better backroom organization. It helps to streamline the pack-out process, have easier identification and retrieval of dead stock, and an overall improved customer experience. It also allows us to work smarter, not harder, by proving to lead to less injuries, fewer touches per item, and less baler runs for cardboard. And finally, a sorting process reduces shrink by improving our cost savings and having fewer damages reported. What are the best ways to sort a mixed pallet? Arrange various U-boats around the pallet to be sorted so that no more than 3 to 4 steps should be taken each time you need to place an item. Arrange totes on the U-boats according to the location on the aisle. Once the U-boat is full or all pallets have been sorted, the items can be stocked. Always use aisle tags to determine the placement to the correct U-boat. Always sort the product on the U-boat by front, middle, back. Place product in the front of the U-boat where the aisle tag is. Those items will go to the front of the aisle near the registers. Product in the back of the U-boat will go to the back of the aisle. Once you have this set up, then you're ready to pack out the aisle. Now let's talk about working dead stock. Dead stock product is identified as product that cannot fit onto the sales floor shelf due to shelf capacity. Always organize your cases. Loose cases of dead stock should be kept on U-boats or in carts when storing it in the back room. The dead stock carts should be organized by aisle or commodity depending on space constraints. The department associate should always check that there is not currently a cart for the aisle before designating a new cart. Keep a log of your items. Dead stock cart should be equipped with a clear sleeve containing the CGO last used log for that cart. The log should identify what the cart holds as well as when the cart was last worked and who worked it. The log should always be kept up to date. Then work the dead stock. Dead stock should be worked on a daily basis to ensure product gets to the shelf for our customers. Second shift associates should utilize a pick list via ARIA before pulling dead stock to be packed out to the floor. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.